Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we have something special for you, the all-new 2025 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that redefines style, technology, and performance. Renault has taken the Captur to the next level with a bold new design, sharper lines, and an even more dynamic presence. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring a redesigned grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper that enhances aerodynamics. The signature C-shaped lighting remains, giving the Captur a distinct and futuristic appeal. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Captur boasts a more muscular stance with bold character lines flowing seamlessly from front to rear. The floating roof design, paired with striking dual-tone color options, adds a premium touch. New alloy wheel designs further enhance the SUV's sporty persona, making it stand out on the road. At the rear, Renault has refined the taillights with a more elegant LED signature, blending seamlessly into the tailgate. The redesigned bumper and subtle roof spoiler complete the look, ensuring that the Captur remains one of the most stylish compact SUVs in its class. Step inside, and you'll experience a cabin built for comfort, technology, and sophistication. Renault has upgraded the materials with soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and customizable ambient lighting. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a new, larger touchscreen infotainment system powered by Renault's latest software, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and connected services. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information with crystal-clear graphics. Under the hood, the 2025 Captur offers a range of efficient and powerful engine options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants, catering to both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. Renault has worked on enhancing fuel efficiency while ensuring a smooth and engaging driving experience. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride quality, making city commutes and highway drives more comfortable than ever. On the safety front, Renault has equipped the Captur with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies make driving safer and more intuitive, giving you peace of mind behind the wheel. With all these upgrades, the 2025 Renault Captur is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It combines style, innovation, and performance in a way that few rivals can match. Whether you're looking for a practical family car or a stylish urban SUV, the new Captur is designed to impress. That's all for today's review. What do you think about the new Renault Captur? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Dynamic for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.